Hello, today I'm in Hyundai i20. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the media panel. Thanks to this button we can activate voice control. Thanks to this button we can change radio source and frequency. This button allows us to change radio volume. And thanks to this button we can change radio station. Next, we can answer and end calls by these buttons. Let's go to the right side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this button we can go to speedometer display menu, and thanks to this button and OK button we can navigate there. So we can select categories, enter them and change settings. And this button allows us to enable or disable cruise control and speed limiter. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.